10 survival gear items that last forever. Did you know nearly half of outdoor lovers have had survival gear fail when they needed it most? When your life depends on your gear, reliability isn't optional. Today, we're diving into 10 survival tools so tough and well-made, they might just outlive you. Whether you're prepping for the wild or the worst, this is gear you can truly count on. Like what you see? Hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more smart survival tips. Thermarest Winter Sleeping Pad. When it comes to insulation between you and the cold, unforgiving ground, the Thermarest Winter Sleeping Pad is the gold standard. Engineered with cutting-edge triangular core matrix technology and thermocapture layers, this pad isn't just warm, it's like a thermal fortress. It's ultralight yet built to handle sub-zero conditions, making it ideal for alpine expeditions or backcountry survival. The real genius, though, is in the materials. This pad resists punctures and deflation like a champ, with baffled construction that distributes weight evenly, preventing pressure points and air leaks over time. You could sleep on frozen tundra night after night and still count on this thing to hold air. A practical tip: always carry a patch kit, just in case, but chances are, you'll rarely need it. And yes, it squeaks a bit, but let's be honest, if squeaking is the price for a warm night on the snow, we're all in. Primus Multi-Fuel Camp Stove. This isn't your average camp stove. It's the survivalist's Swiss Army knife of fire. The Primus Multi-Fuel Stove can burn just about anything flammable: white gas, kerosene, unleaded gasoline, even aviation fuel. That means no matter where in the world you are, be it the Rockies or the remote tundra of Alaska, you'll be able to cook a hot meal. The design is bomb-proof: brass fittings, reinforced fuel lines, and a low-maintenance burner that rarely needs cleaning. It's been tested in expeditions to the poles and high-altitude climbs where other stoves literally freeze up. The main challenge? You'll need to prime it the old-school way, which means using a bit of fuel to preheat before it roars to life. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it becomes part of the adventure. Treat it well, and this stove could easily be passed down to your grandkids, assuming they love the smell of kerosene and adventure. Saal Emergency Bivy Sack. This tiny, lightweight sack might look like an oversized candy wrapper, but it could very well save your life. The Saal Survive Outdoors Longer Emergency Bivy Sack is made from a heat-reflective material that retains up to 90% of your body heat. It's tear-resistant, windproof, and waterproof, making it ideal for emergency situations or as a backup shelter. Unlike cheap knockoffs, this Saal doesn't disintegrate after one use. It can be folded, rolled, and reused multiple times, especially if you store it properly and don't treat it like a punching bag. One warning: it's not exactly breathable, so it's not made for comfort camping. But if you're in a hypothermic scenario or just need to stay alive through the night, this thing is your best friend in a shiny orange coat. Gossamer Gear Snow Saw. For anyone navigating snow-covered terrain, building emergency shelters, or cutting through ice, the Gossamer Gear Snow Saw is a beast in disguise. With a minimalist design that weighs barely more than a chocolate bar, it slices through snow and ice like a hot knife through butter. Crafted from stainless steel and reinforced polymer, it resists rust and cracking, even in temperatures that make your eyelashes freeze. It's become a favorite among winter survivalists because it doesn't warp or dull easily, even after repeated heavy use. Keep it dry, store it with care, and this saw will be there when you need to build your next snow cave, or impress your friends with a perfectly sculpted igloo. Hydro Flask Insulated Water Bottle. Let's talk hydration with a bottle that's become legendary for a reason. The Hydro Flask is vacuum insulated, made from pro-grade stainless steel, and can keep liquids hot for up to 12 hours or cold for a staggering 24. It's not just a pretty bottle with a slick matte finish. This thing is built like a tank. Drop it off a cliff, it'll probably survive better than your phone. Slam it into a boulder? Might dent, but it'll still keep your tea steaming. One downside? It's a bit heavy, but that's the trade-off for durability and insulation that doesn't quit. If you treat it right, it's not uncommon to hear about hydro flasks lasting a decade or more without skipping a beat. Hestra Windproof Gloves. Cold hands are more than just uncomfortable, they can be dangerous. That's where Hestra gloves step in. Designed in Sweden, these gloves are crafted from high-end leather and windproof Gore-Tex material, and they're built to last through years of rugged abuse. Mountaineers swear by them, ice climbers praise them, and even Arctic researchers rely on their performance. They mold to your hand over time, creating a custom fit that just gets better with age. But here's a tip: keep them conditioned with leather balm, and they'll literally last a lifetime. Just don't expect to use your smartphone while wearing them. Dexterity takes a backseat to warmth and protection here. Mammoth Avalanche Beacon. When seconds count, trust is everything. Mammoth's Avalanche Beacon isn't just another gadget. It's a life-saving piece of tech that's been engineered for maximum reliability in life-or-death situations. It features a powerful digital signal, intuitive controls, and long battery life. Everything you need when you're digging through snow and panic is setting in. This beacon is known for its rugged construction, and users often report keeping the same unit functional and accurate for many years, with only minor firmware updates. The key here is regular testing and annual servicing. In the world of snow safety, the Mammoth Beacon is a staple that keeps saving lives long after you first take it out of the box. Katadyn Portable Water Filter. Water is life, and the Katadyn Portable Water Filter ensures that wherever you are, jungle, desert, or backwoods, you can drink safely. Known for its ceramic filtration system, Katadyn filters remove bacteria, protozoa, and even some viruses with proper use. The ceramic core is both cleanable and replaceable, meaning you don't have to throw the whole thing away when it clogs, just give it a scrub and keep going. People have reported using the same filter for years on through hikes and expeditions, and it's even used by humanitarian groups in remote regions. As always, be cautious with freezing temperatures, as frozen ceramic can crack. But overall, this filter is the closest thing to a forever solution in the water purification world. Exodeck Fire Starter Kit. If matches and lighters are your go-to fire tools, it's time to level up. The Exodeck Fire Starter Kit uses a ferrocerium rod and striker combo that's built to withstand thousands of sparks, no matter the conditions, rain, snow, or high winds. It just works. With shine from aircraft-grade aluminum, this tool can literally be run over by a truck and still function. It's waterproof, nearly indestructible, and compact enough to carry anywhere. The rod itself is replaceable, so even after years of sparking campfires or emergency flames, your core setup stays solid. And let's be honest, there's something primal and satisfying about creating fire from sparks, like you're one step away from becoming a forest wizard. MSR Snowshoes. Built for tough terrain and unpredictable snowpack, MSR snowshoes are the heavy-duty gear you want when venturing into deep snow. With steel traction rails, reinforced decking, and bindings that feel more like snow armor than footwear, these snowshoes are designed to survive brutal conditions. They resist cracking in extreme cold, maintain flexibility, and are surprisingly comfortable on long treks. And because they're modular, you can add flotation tails or upgrade parts without having to buy a whole new pair. Users rave about their decade-long performance with only basic maintenance. Think of them like the winter version of a Jeep. They'll go where your boots can't. Which one of these do you already use? Or which one are you adding to your wish list right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing your survival stories. And hey, if this video helped you feel just a little more prepared for your next outdoor adventure, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and smash that bell so you never miss a future survival breakdown. Until next time, stay sharp, stay ready, and remember, the gear you choose could be the gear that saves your life.